subcontracting on this. They also have a contract to build the landing system thrusters for the Mars 2020 mission. Now, in terms of what this crypto equipment may be on board, I don't quite understand it yet. I'm trying to get some clarity on that. But I can tell you this, Aaron, they keep people back far enough so that nobody gets hurt when this happens. The reason this didn't happen last night is because a sailboat was within this roughly 1,400 square mile safety zone where they keep people away just in case something goes wrong. But anytime you launch any kind of spacecraft like this, and you have a new component on it, that raises questions about exactly how everything comes together and whether or not it's going to work properly. And just a point of reference here, a short while ago, one of our guests on CNN said, this is not as easy as it looks. Here's something to bear in mind. When a rocket like this takes off, it is burning so much fuel, and it is moving so quickly, and it is changing altitude and temperature and weight so quickly, truly, every second, it is a different type of aircraft or spacecraft because it's changing so dramatically. It's hard to do this. So one little thing can go wrong and you can have these cataclysmic results like you're seeing here. Nobody hurt, but I will say this, Aaron, in addition to the supplies that were being carried in the payload, which is called the Cygnus, in addition to the supplies, there was about 5,000 pounds of scientific experiments going up. For a scientific experiment to reach the point of being on board a spacecraft like this, it has gone through a tremendous amount of development and investment. That equipment is now lost, and the knowledge that was expected to come from it is also lost. I will guarantee you there are researchers all over right now who can hardly breathe because they're saying, we just lost a tremendous investment in the future of what we're going to do with all of this. This is really a cataclysmic thing. It doesn't just look like it. It really is.
It truly is. And again, as we were reporting, the launch director saying on the NASA feed from the launch, as we were hearing this, there was classified crypto equipment on board. They're now talking about securing the crash site due to the classified nature of what was on board this rocket. I want to bring in our aviation analyst, Miles O'Brien, Bill Nye, the science guy, and the CEO of the Planetary Society. And let me just ask each of you, we're going to show this because, Miles, you've had a chance now to look at this. When you see this video, you can see a lot more than the rest of us can see. What can you see that possibly could have gone so cataclysmically wrong?
Well, you have to remember, Aaron, what we're talking about here is it's a lot of power and a lot of sense energy unleashed through a lot of plumbing that has to be perfect. And ever so slight a leak will ruin your day. And that's